Mondian pairs, which we started to look at and follow, well, you see these moves, we're still holding this bank zone. I admit I don't like these moves too much. What it suddenly created is kind of expanding channel here. That's not what I wanted to see here, I admit. But so far it's bouncing again and again from this zone. There is one thing to pay attention to, that's a bearish convergence here. Convincing? Not quite sure, but we might see a reversal. If it managed to break it down, we should see a drop of something like 70 up to 100 points or so. Alternatively, if it breaks the last high, it might be triggered that we are moving now for the next zone, which is here. Okay, something like that. Also to continue to move kind of like here inside this expanding channel suddenly created, and then go for a short. So it's we have two scenarios to watch. Which one is about to happen, I really don't know. I don't think anyone knows, but we definitely need to be prepared for an action